Good evening. There was no Olympic Games or World Championships in 2018, but it was quite pleasing to see the manner in which many of Jamaica's senior athletes acquitted themselves throughout the season in their respective events. Now, the names of Frederick Dakers, Taekwondo Tracy, Ronald Levy, Daniel Williams, Genevieve Russell, Shericka Jackson, Daniel Thomas Dodd, and Natoya Gould quickly come to mind. Dakers was particularly outstanding, having won the Diamond League, Commonwealth, NACAC, and Continental titles, as well as setting a new personal best of 69.67 meters in the men's discus. Also on the men's side, national 100 meters champion Taekwondo Tracy dipped under 10 seconds for the first time in his career, while Levy won Commonwealth gold. Among the females, Russell and Thomas Dodd both landed Commonwealth titles, while Gould had a breakout year in which she broke Kenya Sinclair's national 800 meters record, which stood for 12 years, clocking a brilliant 1 minute 56.15 seconds in late July. What was also outstanding about Dakers, Levy, Taekwondo Tracy, Williams, Gould, Russell, Jackson, and Thomas Dodd in 2018 is that all 8 athletes produced the personal best efforts in their respective events, with Shericka Jackson doing so in the 100 and 200 meters, and not her more accomplished event, the 400 meters. What these athletes demonstrated was a level of focus and tenacity to achieve optimal performances. This should no doubt provide the confidence needed to approach the preparation for next season, and one also hopes that they will remain healthy and spared from any major injuries for the next 3 years, which will each have a global championship, starting with the IAAF World Championships in Qatar next year, followed by the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, Japan, and the 2021 World Championships in Eugene, Oregon. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.